Hi students, welcome to Nilagiri Degree College online classes. Today, now I'm going to discuss topic ethers. So, what is ethers? Ethers means organic compounds containing oxygen between two R groups. Organic compounds containing oxygen between two R groups are called ethers. So, general formula of ether ROR dash. ROR dash general formula ether. ఇక్కడ ROR ప్రమేయ సమూహం కలిగి ఉన్న కర్బన సమ్మేళనాలను ఈథర్స్ అంటారు. ఈథర్స్ యొక్క సాధారణ అణుఫార్ములా ROR dash, where R and R dash may be same or different. R and R dash same or different alkyl or aryl groups, or one may be alkyl groups, another one aryl groups. Here R and R dash అనేవి ఒకే విధంగా ఉండొచ్చు లేదా వేరు విధాలుగా ఉండవచ్చు. సో అవి ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్స్ కావచ్చు, అరైల్ గ్రూప్స్ కావచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఒకటి ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్స్ కావచ్చు, అనదర్ వన్ అరైల్ గ్రూప్స్ కావచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ జనరల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఈథర్స్ ROR dash. So this is example of ethers. So ethers bond angle 104.5 degrees. Bond angle of ethers 104.5 degrees, and ROR dash bond length 140 parts per meters. So now let's go to nomenclature. Here formula, common name, and IUPAC name. So what is IUPAC? International Union Period Applied Chemistry. So this is IUPAC. So first example, CH3OCH3. CH3OCH3. So this is formula. So this is ether. First example, common name. Here ether common name prefix di prefix. So CH3OCH3 common name dimethyl ether. So IUPAC name. So IUPAC name ethers prefix alkoxy groups. First of all, prefix alkoxy group. So CH3OCH3 common name dimethyl ether. IUPAC name methoxymethane. So here two methyl groups directly attacked on oxygen atom. So here two methyl, so dimethyl. So ether dimethyl ether common name dimethyl ether. IUPAC name methoxymethane. And another example, CH3CH2OCH2CH3. So this is also ether, symmetrical ether. So CH3OCH3 also symmetrical ethers. So here two ethyl groups are present in the molecule. So diethyl ether. So ethyl group. This is also ethyl group. So diethyl ether. So this is common name. IUPAC name ethoxyethane. So here two ethyl groups directly attacked on oxygen atom. So common name diethyl ether. IUPAC name ethoxyethane. And so this is also symmetrically ether. So next another example, CH3 CH2O CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2O CH3. So this is another example. So here this example unsymmetrically ether. So one side ethyl group, another side methyl group. So this is unsymmetrically ether. So here methyl first alphabetical first letter ethyl. So E first letter and another letter M. So first letter ethyl. So ethyl and another letter methyl. So ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. So IUPAC name methoxy ethane. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు ఐయుపిఎస్ నామిక్లేచర్లో అన్సిమెట్రికల్లీ మాలిక్యూల్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఆల్ఫాబెటల్ లెటర్లో ఫస్ట్ ఈ అనే లెటర్ ఫస్ట్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇథైల్ ప్రఫిక్స్ను ఫస్ట్ యాడ్ చేసినావు. అండ్ అనదర్ మిథైల్ ఈ తర్వాత ఎం వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఈ తర్వాత ఎం కాబట్టి అనదర్గా ప్రొఫెక్స్ ఎం అనే ప్రొఫెక్స్ని యాడ్ చేసి మనము ఈథైల్ మిథైల్ ఈథర్గా పిలవడం జరుగుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ third example. And fourth example, this is also symmetrical ethane, symmetrical ether. So here two phenyl groups directly attacked on benzene. So this compound name, common name, diphenyl ether. So two phenyls directly and attacked on oxygen atom, diphenyl ethers. So IUPAC name benzoxybenzene. And last example, this is unsymmetrical ether. So one side attacked on phenyl group, another side attacked on methyl group. So methyl is a alkyl group, phenyl is a aryl group. So this is unsymmetrical ether. The common name anisole. So it is very important compound. So common name anisole. IUPAC name methoxybenzene. So this is totally introduction of ethers and nomenclature of ethers. I will next class it will be discussed preparation methods of ethers. Okay, once again I repeated. So what is ethers? Organic compounds containing oxygen between two R groups are called ethers. So two alkyl groups directly attacked on oxygen atom are called ethers. The general formula of ethers ROR dash. So R and R dash may be alkyl or aryl groups, and one alkyl groups, another one aryl groups. So general example of ethers here. So bond angle 104.5 degrees and bond length 140 paspa meters and nomenclature of ethers.